What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce your temperatures in your HP Victus laptop or any gaming machine at all. So if you have an HP Victus gaming laptop, or if you have any other gaming laptop, HP Omen, Alienware, whatever laptop you are using, I think these simple steps will help you reduce temperatures and also improve your gaming performance. So, a quick story. I remember when I bought this machine, I was extremely disappointed. There was a lot of time that I was thinking that, oh my God, I've wasted a lot of money. All I see is regret upon regret because anytime I start a game, the processor just, I think within 5 minutes of gaming, it just moved to, I think, 95 degrees Celsius, just like that. And within some few minutes, the game starts lagging. So I was even wondering why they even call this a gaming machine in the first place, because you can't even game comfortably. You just can't get a stable FPS. So now this is the processor that I'm using. I'm using the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS. And apparently this kind of processors boosts aggressively when you are doing a heavy task like gaming or video editing and 3D rendering. So yeah, it has a turbo boost of up to 4.5 gigahertz. So they boost very aggressively, very aggressive, which tend to make the PC very hot. So I was told to switch it to quiet mode, but then on quiet mode, it reduces performance a little. So you might get an FPS drop. Usually, you wouldn't be utilizing the full potential of the computer, even though it helps. It helps when you increase the fan and you switch it to quiet mode. Or maybe on your computer, you may have balance mode or quiet mode. So this is a balance mode for my computer, and this is the performance mode. But in some gaming laptops, we have eco, quiet, balance, default, and performance. So yeah, so this helped, but it actually didn't give me the best out of the computer. So I just recently discovered that if you go to edit power plan, just search edit power plan, you come to change advanced power settings. Now you go to processor power management and minimum processor state. Make sure this place on battery, it is 5%, plugged in 5%, and the maximum processor state, reduce it to 99 on battery and 100%, or you can also, to save battery, you can also reduce this one to 99%. This will reduce the performance a little to prevent overheating, and also come to processor performance boost mode. Now, if you don't see this feature over here, on your computer, just press on the Windows key plus R, or right click on the Windows key, click on run, you type regedit, and click on OK. Click on yes, and you have to follow this path. I'll leave the link in the description, but if you want, you can follow. First of all, you click on HKey _local _machine. Then it will give you a drop down. Then you click on system to give you another drop down. You click on control set, current control set. It gives you another drop down. You click on control, and in that drop down, you scroll down and you click on power. It gives you another drop down. Click on power settings, and in the drop down you will see 54533 251. You click on it, it gives you another drop down again, and finally you click on this one, the B337238, this folder. So when you click on this folder, you double click on the attributes. Now on your computer, you may see 0 or 1. Just change it and make it 2. As I've done here, just change. So whatever value you see there, just change it and make it 2, and change it to 2, and click on OK. Now if you click on OK and you restart your computer, you will see the processor performance boost mode. So I think this is what boosts your processor to its turbo boost. So my base speed is, I think, 3.3 gigahertz, and my turbo boost, it can boost up to 4.55 gigahertz. So this option gives you the chance to disable the turbo boost. You can disable it, which means your computer will not exceed the base speed. It will always work within. So if you have 2 gigahertz, it will work within 2 gigahertz. If you have 3 gigahertz, it will work within 3 gigahertz. It will not exceed 3 gigahertz. But then if you enable it or put it at aggressive, it boosts. It always boosts up to its turbo boost whenever you are running a game or doing a heavy task, which causes the processor to usually overheat. So I would advise that if you are facing this overheating issue, just disable it, just as I've done here, or you can choose efficient aggressive. This one, it gets the processor in between. It slowly boosts it. It wouldn't boost it aggressively to the turbo boost limit, but then it's slowly. So it's like your processor wouldn't get hot usually. But then I recommend disabling or choosing efficient aggressive. So after you click on apply and okay, after restart your computer and thank me later, it's going to run much more cooler, because usually my PC was usually at 80% and 90% when I'm doing normal tasks, and when I'm gaming, sometimes immediately I start the game, it reaches up to 95 to almost 100 degrees Celsius. But after I chose the settings, things have been very, very smooth. I barely experience these overheating issues. Now gaming has become smooth. My FPS has also increased drastically. So yeah, you can try it out. And thank you for watching this video. And if you find this video helpful, like, subscribe,